Good morning everyone! Happy Thursday! So today is the 12th of September 2019 and in this morning we are heading to IKEA for breakfast. We will see what IKEA has for breakfast. We'll see you there! See that? That's a nice cherry blossoms flower, see? Outside the window. Very pretty. It's quite duldy today, isn't it? Here we go! We are nearly there at IKEA. Yeah, we've been there, remember? Blake remember it. We've been to IKEA before. It's quite here at the moment. We still have 2 minutes. 20 minutes, sorry. 16 minutes. So this is the Majuro Park. That's the big W there. Wallis and of course Costco there. Costco. Keep going that way, yeah. Yes, that's the Costco, yeah. So that's the entrance of IKEA. Here we go. You can park anywhere. This one here. Wow, look at that. The most famous. We tried that one. Lunchtime. So we made it here at IKEA. See, that's the entrance there. Let's get inside. I'm so excited for breakfast. Okay, let's go everybody. That's what he wants, Daddy. Welcome to IKEA.
Where we going?
Hello everybody, so I'm nearly there at the IKEA restaurant.
The menu.
Yep. So that's their menu. Which one do you want? It's all nice. Yeah, they even have a vegetarians.
That's pretty cool.
Very cute, hey?
Food.
We'll need to get a tray. And there's another one. Which one? Shall we get like a juice or not? So that's all their breakfast that I don't know. Which one? Hey? Okay. Shall we get one for Aiden as well? Huh? Yep. We'll get this one, Aiden. Oh, look at all there's this. Apparently, this is a very nice one. Goodies.
get a hash brown tea. Just one.
Just. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna get a coffee. I do want coffee. Maybe I'll have what do you call this one? Okay, cinnamon bun. Please. Wow, look at our breakfast. Thank you.
And we're gonna get coffee, yeah?
Yeah. Shall we go? Let her go first. I'll get a cup. Okay. Not in here?
That's if you get the coffee cup.
Okay.
So what you want the IKEA? Yep. Got the 2 scrolls on the bottom.
And 2 drinks.
I'll get sorry. Okay, ready? Hi. I wonder if they have a choco. Yeah. Do they have a choco? Oh, yes. Yeah, that's their thing.
So what you want? Hot chocolate?
Hot choco plate, please. I never tried their hot choco. Shall we sit there near the thing? Or just in here? Okay. What's your recon? Yeah, in there. It's easy. Yeah, in the other side. So that Blake can win in and play. So you get inside. Mama will sit in here.
Here she comes.
We finally finished our order, guys. See? Look at that. Let's eat. So that's my breakfast. That's our breakfast. Hot choco. And Blake's hash brown and sausage. And Dada. And Aiden's drinks. Yeah, let's eat. It's nice in here because you can sit in here and then the kids can play right in front of you as well, which is a good thing. Hi, Blake. Mommy's here behind you. Keep going. We are finished having breakfast now. And then Mommy's here. Mommy's behind you. gonna put the rubbish. Be careful.
Really?
Hmm?
Hold on.
Are you helping Blake? Well done. We finally finished at IKEA. It was a nice breakfast. Actually, it's different and it's nice, and it's not as dear as we thought as well. And also, we bought stuff like a cabinet shelf. It's unplanned shopping, so it's always every time we come here in IKEA, I always end up getting something, but something to use anyway. And also, I got the rug. For the toilet mat. We really had a great time. We probably spent about 2 hours or 3 there. And then now we are heading home. We really had a great time in IKEA. And then now we just have to put together all our, the cabinet shelf. Bye. Look at Blake. See, he looks so comfy. You look so comfy, Blake. Oh. So this is the